Hello everybody and welcome to the YouTube channel Useful English with Rakesh. In this session, we are going to discuss about the pronunciation of some of the very commonly used words, widely mispronounced. There are more than 1,70,000 words in the English language, and we should not bother a lot about the pronunciation of those words. But some of the words are very common in our daily conversation, and especially to sound a bit educated, you need to know the correct pronunciation of these words. And in this video, I am going to discuss 15 of such words which are widely spoken and commonly mispronounced. Before starting the video, I would suggest to all of you not to bother a lot about pronunciation. Instead, I would suggest to you to start speaking first in your own way and try to go natural. Do not try to imitate the native speakers, because trying to imitate them may make us sound very artificial. I would definitely recommend listening to the native speakers, because whatever the videos they make, they would definitely make in English language, and which is our requirement. Therefore, I recommend all of you to listen to one English video every day of the native speaker of at least 10 minutes duration. That would enhance your listening practice, which is very much required to learn a language. Learning any language requires 4 types of activities. First, listening the language. Second, reading. By these 2 methods, we try to consume as much English as possible to our mind. Third one is writing. Writing is a good practice in order to learn the language. And the final step is speaking. Former 2 concerned with inputting the language to our brain, and the latter 2 concerned with outputting the language. It is a very common fact that if you want to spend money, first we have to earn it. If you want to speak English, first we have to input the language, input in our brain. I would recommend you to read and listen as much as possible in order to learn spoken English. In this video today, we are going to learn 15 such words which are widely used and commonly mispronounced. So let's start the video. The first word is pronunciation. It is not pronunciation, which many people tend to speak. It is pronunciation, and it would be better if you could drop the R sound. The next is Wednesday. This is not Wednesday, this is Wednesday. Wednesday. Vegetable. This is not vegetable, which many people tend to speak. Vegetable not. It's vegetable. Develop. This is develop. This is not develop. This is develop. Develop. And many people speak it like restaurant. But it is not restaurant, it is restaurant. It is restaurant. Deaf. This is deaf, not deaf, which we tend to speak. Breakfast. Breakfast. This is breakfast. This is not breakfast. It's not fast. It is first, like first, second. Dessert. This is dessert, which we normally eat after lunch or dinner. This is a sweet pudding. Chocolate. Chocolate. This is not chocolate. This is chocolate. 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 Desert. This is desert, which is geographical area of land that is covered with sand. This is desert. Desert. This is chaos. It is not chaos. It is chaos. Chaos means mess up. Exaggeration. 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 It means बढ़ा के चढ़ा के बोलना. Receipt. This is receipt. P is silent here. This is receipt. This is not receipt. And B is silent in this word. This is not debt. This is debt. This is debt. This is a type of loan. And the final word is comment. This is not comment. Many we might have heard people saying this is like comment, but this is not comment. This is comment. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share. Hope you like this video. You are requested to comment below whether this video made some knowledge addition or not. If you really like this video, please share with your friends and family members and help them learn useful English easily and free of cost. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video with some more information.